Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 99 divided by 33, then times 1 plus 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 1 plus 2 is just 3. So 33 times 3, which equals 99. And 99 divided by this. 99 divided by 99, which equals just 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay? So here, first we have to do this parentheses. And after this parentheses, we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So after this parentheses, we have to do this division, not this multiplication. Okay, and finally we have to do this multiplication. So first this parentheses, 1 plus 2 gives us 3. So we have 99 divided by 33, then times 3. Now we have to do this division, 99 divided by 33, which equals 3, and 3 times 3, which equals 9. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 9. The correct answer is 9.